Gawa po tayo ng marinade ng ating chicken. Half cup ng suka, half cup ng toyo, and then kalamansi, mga 5 piraso. Then, 1/2 tablespoon ng oyster sauce, ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, then tanglad, garlic, ginger, pickled ginger po yung available. Hiwaan natin yung chicken natin and then ilublob natin sa marinade. Hayaan natin nakababa ng 30 minutes or overnight. Meanwhile, gawin na po natin ang ating chicken oil. Palabasin lang natin ng oil. Tapos, lagyan po natin ng ground annatto seeds or aswete. After 30 minutes, lightly fry natin yung chicken, both sides. Papulahin po natin ng konti both sides. And then, add natin yung pinagbabaran natin na marinade. And then, simmer natin. And transfer natin sa grilling pan, pahira ng chicken oil. And then, cook both sides for 2 minutes and it's ready to serve. Subukan nyo pong gawin, napakasarap.